IGNOU examination seasons are again back. So let's discuss the important questions of BANS 183 Tourism Anthropology. Today I am going to read out important questions of this subject. यहाँ पे मैं आप लोगों को सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस को रीड आउट करके बताऊंगी जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं. अगर आपने अपने आंसर्स खुद से प्रिपेयर किए हैं देन वेल एंड गुड, नहीं तो मैं आने वाले नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में इन सभी क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स को डील करते हुए प्रेजेंट करूंगी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिफाइन एंथ्रोपोलॉजी. Discuss how anthropology studies tourism. What is authenticity in tourism? Explain with suitable examples. Define and discuss sustainable tourism with suitable examples. Discuss local environment versus tourist sites in India. Describe the various types of tourism with suitable examples. What is political economy of tourism? State the premises for its study. Discuss some of the issues related to the impact of tourism on heritage sites. Discuss tourism and sustainable development with suitable examples. Define anthropology. Discuss the role of biological and cultural anthropology in the study of tourism. आपको हो सकता है कि एक दो क्वेश्चंस रिपीटेड लगे कि ये पहले भी पढ़ा या फिर ये पहले भी एक क्वेश्चन एक बार आ चुका है, लाइक मैंने एक बार रीड आउट कर चुकी हूँ उसको रीड आउट. सो द थिंग इज़ कि ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं बहुत मोटी मोटी किताबें होती हैं इग्नू की, और इग्नू साल में एक बार एग्ज़ाम लेता है, जिस वजह से एक टॉपिक पे डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. इस वजह से जो टॉपिक है वो मे बी रिपीटेड हो बट विथ डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट. So the 10th question is discuss the concept of migration and its relation to tourism. Define tourist and different types of tourism. Define political economy of tourism. Discuss its major focus areas. Explain how the revival and prevention of heritage sites is being done with suitable examples from India. Define ecotourism and discuss two cases from Northeast India as examples. Discuss the study of tourism through an anthropological lens. ये different है but define anthropology is still same. Write a note on different types of tourism. Define and discuss authenticity within the context of tourism. Write a note on tourism and globalization. Discuss the revival and prevention protect going on at the Taj Mahal. With reference to ecotourism, write a note on empowerment and disempowerment. Again, define anthropology, discuss the role of anthropology in study of tourism anthropology. So as you can see, define anthropology is one of the most favorite question of this subject. Explain cultural drift with the help of suitable examples. Discuss commodification of culture with the help of suitable examples from India. What is political economy of tourism? State the major focus in the study of political economy of tourism. Discuss the revival. Okay, this question is repeated. Let me skip it. Now the last question is define ecotourism and suitable examples. Now we have some short notes. So I think we have approx 29 short notes. Again, short notes are very important as we have to write down 4 short notes to each sections. So let's start. Technology and tourism, commodification in tourism, museums as cultural heritage, Bhimbetka, tourism and core periphery dynamics, art as culture heritage, pilgrimage the host, acceleration, world heritage sites, key symbols, food as cultural heritage, cultural drift, commodification of culture, the host and the guest, food as heritage, tourism and globalization, intangible cultural heritage, the tourist spot, cultural drift, commodification of heritage site, local environment, museums as cultural heritage, sustainable development, tourism and migration, tourist spot, staged authenticity, key symbols, national heritage, museums and heritage. कुछ questions I can see definitely this is my mistakes. I have added one question 2 times or 3 times, not 3 times, 2 times. So आप उसको प्लीज़ skip कर दीजिए, और ऐसे भी जब मैं आंसर्स प्रोवाइड करूँगी इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ PDF एंड प्रेजेंटेशन, तो उसमें आप लोगों को सिर्फ एक ही बार एक टॉपिक का आंसर मिलेगा. सो दिस इज़ वेरी क्लियर. आई थिंक दिस मिस्टेक कुड बी नेग्लिजिबल. Thank you so much for watching this video and all the best for your examinations.